today I would like to show you a really simple science activity that you can put together for your child, and it is sink and float. So in order to put this together, you're just going to need a pitcher of water. You can either fill it yourself or just have it to be a size that your child can manage to carry on their own and then have access to water. They're going to need a tub to pour the water in, and then they can just go around and collect some objects to see if they sink or float. So it's always good to have a variety of things, and there's some things that are going to sink, like a rock and a marble, and then some things that might surprise them, like a wood chip. So I just walked around the house and gathered some things. You could do whatever. You can have your child come with you and gather some things, or you can do that beforehand. I also grabbed a couple of towels in the classroom. We have underlays that we use, which are oilcloth that are cut to the size of the tables. So they would use that to protect the table, but you could just use any towel. And then I also have cards that I created that just say sink and float. And I drew like a little picture in case the child is not reading yet. And then they could have two different towels to sort the sink or float objects, or they could just label the top of their towel and put it with the correct group. So just pour the water in, and then they can just put the object in and see what happens. Okay, that one floats. So they would put it under the float and rock. It sinks. This water is not that deep, so they could get another pitcher if they wanted to. But very simple thing. They love this activity, and they can always be just going around and gathering new objects to see if they sink or float. And there's a lot to learn scientifically there too. So I hope that this is something that you'll try. It's really fun and easy to put together.